Lucidchart is a versatile diagramming tool that can be used effectively for project management. It allows teams to visually plan, organize, and manage projects by creating flowcharts, mind maps, Gantt charts, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Lucidchart for project management. Getting started with Lucidchart for project management. Create a new diagram. Sign into Lucidchart or create a new account. Click on plus create new diagram and choose blank diagram or a specific template like project management. Set up the structure. Add key elements like project milestones, tasks, responsibilities, and timelines by dragging and dropping shapes onto the canvas. Creating a project workflow. Add milestones and tasks. Use rectangles or boxes to represent milestones and tasks. Connect tasks with arrows or lines to show dependencies or flow within the project. Assign responsibilities. Use icons or text boxes to assign team members or roles to specific tasks or milestones. Include timelines. Utilize timelines or date indicators to show the duration or schedule of tasks within the project. Customizing the project management diagram. Add custom fields. Include priority levels, deadlines, or other relevant metadata for tasks and milestones. Use templates and shapes. Lucidchart provides various templates such as Gantt charts, swim lane diagrams, and Kanban boards for streamlined project management. Collaboration. Share the diagram with team members for feedback or real-time collaboration. Managing the project. Track progress. Continuously update tasks and milestones to reflect progress, delays, or completed stages. Generate reports. Export project management diagrams for client presentations, team meetings, or stakeholder reviews.